Hello, and welcome to another MCO update on Doge. The price over the weekend hasn't really moved too much. We want to talk a little bit about the microstructures here, and overall, the idea is still that the market is moving up in a diagonal pattern, right? So what we talked about before is that a larger degree B wave likely bottomed there in June, and from there we have a three-wave move up. I haven't labeled it, but it's a three-wave move up in wave one. Then we had a clear three-wave move down in what I believe could be wave two here. And then from there, again, a three-wave move up, which might be the A wave of the third wave. Remember, also wave one is a three-wave move. ABC in wave one. So wave three is also an ABC. So we're waiting to see if the bulls can show up here and start the C wave to the upside of the third wave. If that happens, it should happen from this region. Ideally, even before the price breaks below support at 20.9 cents. I did add in one of the recent updates also the 88.7 retracement. Yeah, for those of you who are following the microstructures, because sometimes it can make sense to just be aware of all the next levels to watch. Yeah, but the 78.6 retracement is already, it's already deep for a B wave. We normally don't want any further downside below that. You can also see that in this pullback here, yeah, from the 13th of September high, we have an ABC structure to the downside, and the C wave could be 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that fifth wave to the downside, that fifth wave to the downside here, yeah, it honestly, it might complete at any point. It might already be complete, but on many other charts, I'm tracking the potential for one more low that can happen here, of course, as well. If it happens, then, well, we have the 20.9 cent level there as next support level. Could also track here a small trend line. Yeah, have we broken or not? Probably not yet. I won't show it on the chart. I don't find it so meaningful. I think it's what is more meaningful is this green line here at around 25 cents. That's the next breakout line to the upside. So we need a break above that level to even consider that a low is in. I mean, I'm already labeling it as complete, but that doesn't mean it is complete. We need a break above a signal line to suggest we're turning around. So just be aware, if we get another low, it wouldn't be a surprise. On many other charts, I'm actually tracking it like that. It would basically here also be accordingly, like, would be like that. Would look very similar to what I'm tracking actually on the Ethereum chart, yeah. The potential for one more low. Not needed, but in that case, and you see here why the green line is so important, because for any wave 4 bounce, the price should not sustain above the 50% retracement, which is at 24.5 cents, so just below the green line. I'll keep you updated about any changes here. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure you check out our membership options on Sunday. Tomorrow, we are going to run our member live stream again. And also, if you're a gold member, you can join our Discord server for a lot of additional updates. Also, feel free to follow us on X for additional charts, news, and much more. Thanks so much. I'll leave a link for X in our comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.